Hello, my name is Peter and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D origami model, this 3D origami swan. It is a very small and easy to make model, and I think it is a very beautiful model. You will need white and black pieces for this model, and of course a very small piece orange. For this model we use small 3D origami pieces. We obtain 64 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper. This is a rectangular of paper, 3.6 by 2.6 centimeters, and now I will make a 3D origami piece. If you are a beginner, I recommend you to watch several videos. You can find them in the description of the video. Also, if you like my tutorials and you want more models, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now you can see there is a difference between these two 3D origami pieces. I will use 5 or 6 large pieces connected together in a row, push the edges in the pockets, and with my finger or maybe with a pen I give a very nice round shape. I recommend you all to learn to make pieces in this way. It is very easy to work with them and the model will look very beautiful. Now we make 3D origami closed base. We connect pieces like this, only white pieces, and we connect pieces until we have 15 pieces in the first row, 14 pieces in the second, and 13 pieces in the third row. Also, in the same time, we put here an inverted row like this. Inverted row means that the round part of the piece is inside, not outside like this one. And this will help us connect these pieces. Complete all these rows. I complete all these rows. 15 pieces in the first row, 14 in the second, and 13 in the third. And also I put 14 inverted pieces here. And now we close the base like this, and we put one piece in the second row and two pieces in the third one, like this. Now we complete the inverted row. We push a little bit like this, and I connect the last inverted piece here. And this is a 3D origami closed base. Next we put one black, then we put the rest of the row normal white pieces like this. Next we put two black pieces here and then another one above, and now we cover with white pieces. We put one piece here and another one there, cover the black pieces. This will be the chest of our little swan, like this. Now we put 11 inverted black pieces like this. The round part of the piece is here inside. Next we put 10 pieces, 10 inverted black pieces above the 11 from the previous row. And next we put 9 pieces above. Next we put 8 inverted black pieces. Now 7 inverted black pieces. Next row we put 6 inverted black pieces. Now we put 5 pieces, inverted pieces. Then 4. Now 3 pieces above. Two, and the last inverted black pieces like this. Now we cover the black tail with white normal pieces like this. We put first here and then we go up on the tail. now we cover the other side. And the tail is finished. A very nice model and a very nice shape. Next, for the neck, I glued together 16 pieces in a row. We give a nice round shape and we glue a black piece here, and now we glue the neck to the chest like this. And the model is finished. I glue the neck to the chest and then I will glue a very small peak. This is a very small piece. You will obtain 128 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper, and I glue here on the head. And this is the model finish. If you like my tutorials, please subscribe, rate, make comments and share my videos. This is all for today. Have a nice day.